Hi, this is Rochelle Raisler with a listing alert. Beautiful lake home on Lake Ashtubula. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the main floor, unfinished basement, ready for your handiwork, with another bathroom in the basement. Walkout patio, walk around deck, wrap around deck in the front, enjoying the beautiful view of Lake Ashtubula. Fishing galore, walleyes, northern, crappies, some sunnies. Acreage, ready for you. If you have any questions, would like to see this property, give me a call. Again, Rochelle Raisler, listing alert, Century 21. My number is 218-979-1700.